So I am standing here with Joyce, and she is from Northwest Organic Farms. Now, first of all, this place overwhelmed me when we came in here to film here because of this selection of tomatoes alone. So let's talk a little bit about this farm, what it is you grow, and give me some information about it.
Okay, one of the main crops we have are heirloom tomatoes. We have about 20 different varieties.
Wow.
And he also does garlic. We have about 6 varieties of those. And then most of the other vegetables that you can buy any place. Peppers, carrots, corn, raspberries.
All of that stuff. Yeah.
And we have a CSA. And the farm is open on Thursday if anyone wants to come and purchase anything.
So first of all, you said he. I'm assuming that there's someone else involved here besides you. So who is he and what does he do? So the gentleman you're pointing at is actually your husband.
Yes, Greg.
He does the farming and the planting and the all of that stuff?
Everything. Him and his 2 brothers.
Why heirlooms? Was there something special about that?
Well, when we first started thinking about growing tomatoes, of course, Greg says, oh, probably we ought to do Romas.
Yeah.
Well, I said, you know, you get 50 cents a pound for Romas retail.
Right.
Think what you're going to get wholesale.
And
so we happened to see heirloom tomatoes and just decided. I took a basket and went to an upscale grocery store and showed them, and they said, oh, yeah.
We'll sell those.
We'll sell those.
So then, where can people buy stuff like this at then that you got that you
Chuck's
grow?
Produce on Highway 99 in Vancouver, and then there's 3 Zupan markets in Portland.
Wonderful.
On 23rd and in Macadam and Lake Oswego.
But then also in the harvesting season, every Thursday you guys do harvest, and you let people come in.
They can
Anybody
come here.
can come in and buy at that time right here at the farm.
Yes, and you can buy number 1s. And then also for the people that like to can, you can buy the canning tomatoes.
Wonderful. Now, the fun thing here though, Joyce, is because you have a wonderful annual event. Tell me what that is.
It's the Heirloom Tomato and Garlic Festival. And the master gardeners come, and Greg and his brothers, they set up all the tents, and Nancy Funk is in charge, and the volunteers come. They cut the tomatoes. You can taste all the tomatoes. They even have a little survey that says, which tomato did you like best? Or
Nice.
Which garlic did you like best?
And it's not just the tomatoes and the garlic that people can taste, which is really wonderful, but it's an actual event. You have food and music and all kinds of fun.
Yep, and it's free.
Yeah, and that's wonderful. And it is busy. I mean, you guys are doing hundreds of people.
We do. It's really a blessing that, you know, so many people have supported the farm, because we started out with just garlic.
Oh, wow.
And we learned real quick, you can't live on garlic alone.
It's adorable. I love that you said you learned that. That's adorable. Well, for more information on this really amazing event, you can go to gardentime.tv. We'll click you over to the website. You can gather all that information. Come on out, enjoy, taste some amazing tomatoes, some garlic, and then buy some, take it home, and enjoy it in your own house. Joyce, what a delight. Thank you, my friend.
Oh, thank you. And you know, I have to thank Ariel, because she's the one that does all the Facebook. And
she's the one that makes it happen, doesn't she?
And she made the sign for the little kids. Yeah, it's wonderful.
Perfect.
Couldn't do it without her.
Well, now you can come out and see it all for yourselves. Thank you, Joyce.
You betcha.